Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom theme in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to give your website a unique look that stands out from the default templates, allowing you to fully customize your site's appearance to match your brand or vision. First, head over to Weebly.com and log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now look at the left side menu where you'll see several options. Click on Website to access your list of sites. Just below that, you'll see Edit Site, so go ahead and click it. This will show you all the websites you've created in your Weebly account. Choose the website you want to edit by locating it in your list. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that website's entry and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your website where all the customization happens. On the top menu bar of the editor, find and click on Theme. This is where Weebly stores all theme-related options and settings. It's the hub for changing your site's entire visual appearance. Now focus your attention on the left side menu that appears. Here you'll see an option labeled Change Theme. Click on it. This will open up Weebly's theme gallery, which provides you with various pre-made themes that you can browse and consider. However, since we're here to add a custom theme, we'll move past these default options. Look to the upper right corner of the theme selection area. You'll spot a button that says Import Theme. Click on it. This is the gateway to uploading your own custom design. A dialog box will appear where you can either click Select a Theme to browse your computer files and upload your custom theme, or you can simply drag and drop your theme file directly into this area. Both methods work equally well, so choose whichever feels more comfortable. Before you upload, here's something important you need to know about the custom theme format. Your custom theme must be a zip file containing all the necessary components. Inside that zip file, you need an index.html file for your template layout data, a main_style.css file for your style information, and all image files associated with your theme. Make sure all these files are in the root directory of your zip archive. Any files placed in a subdirectory won't be imported correctly. Once you've selected your properly formatted zip file, Weebly will process and import your custom theme. You'll then be able to apply it to your website, giving you complete control over your site's design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.